welcome back again to Ram's tutorial. So today guys, ang i-discuss natin today is physics. It's all about Ohm's law. So we have here our what you call formula to solve the problem. We have I is equal to V over R, or V is equal to I and R. Okay, before we proceed to our problem, what is I? I is what you call the current, V is the voltage, R is the resistance. Again, I is the current, V is the voltage, R is the resistance. Okay, now we're going to proceed to our problem. Let us read it. Samahan niyo pa ako guys. Okay, kapag bago ka pa sa aking channel, please do subscribe to Ram's Tutorial Educational Channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you're updated on our latest video tutorial. Okay, let's start reading for our problem. Our problem says that how much current is flowing in a flashlight if it has 3.0 volts or 3.0 V or volts battery and a resistance of 20. This one is what we call it's a Greek, symbolized by the Greek letter omega. Omega po ang tawag yan guys for our resistance. That's the symbol. This one, omega po yun, a Greek letter omega. Now, to solve the problem, paano po natin ito isosolve, Teacher Ram? So remember, this is what you call the Ohm's law. Ito po yung formula na gagamitin natin. Again, I is what we call the current. Ulitin ko, current po to. R is the resistance. Yan. V is the voltage. Kasi pasok ka na bukas. Okay, here we go. Let us first, to solve, kailangan po i-jot down din natin. Unang-una, i-jot down natin si given. Susulat ko dito ha, si given. Given natin, syempre, V. Ibig sabihin, voltage natin. Ilang volts? Ito po yon, 3.0. Nakikita nyo po? V is equal to 3.0. V na lang isusulat natin for volts. Tapos, yung resistance natin, this one, 20 po yung resistance natin. Sulat natin dito, R, for resistance. Sulat natin, we're going to write 20 resistance natin. So, alam mo nyo ito si omega na Greek symbolize po yung letter po na omega. Parang, minsan di ko mapaperfect pag-draw. Pero, I think, okay naman po siya. Tingnan. Now, this one is our volt, and then the resistance. Okay. We're going to find the current po. Kasi yun ang hinahanap dyan. Yung si current po. Now, to solve it, sundan nyo pa ako guys. Gusto ko kasi malinis eh. Ganun kasi ako dati nag-aaral. Sa favorite ko kasi yung this one. Okay. Solution natin. So, i-bring down natin. Tatandaan natin ito pong ano natin ha. Okay, the formula I means the current. So, dito natin yan, lagay natin sa solution natin. Papakita ko po sa inyo. So, this one, si letter I is the current, is equal to ito po, kukunin natin po, V, then over R. Ibig sabihin, voltage over resistance. Kapag makita nyo na pag ganito guys, ibig sabihin, division po ang kailangan natin dito. Okay. Now, next, we bring down, so ito ay susulat ko po ulit, si 3.0 V over resistance, 20, so magdraw si teacher ng omega symbol which is R, resistance. Dito natin ilalagay yung final answer. But to solve this one, di-divide natin si 3.0 to 20. Samahan nyo pa ako. Yan. Dito ko po siya di-divide. Ito po ha, i-divide natin to. Si voltage over resistance. Now, syempre sa division natin, kailangan natin ang ganong symbol. Susulat ko po si 3.0. Mamaya po, paano natin isosolve yan? Our divisor is 20, which is the resistance. Now, chair, paano po mag-divide po 3.0 cannot be? Yeah. Kapag cannot be po, i-move natin yan to make it whole number. 3.0 becomes 30. So, maglalagay tayo dito ng 0, guys, kasi hindi po pwede. Say 3 divide kay 20. So, then, we're going to put the decimal point. Now, let's start. Since nagiging 30 na po to, nagiging whole number, let us start 30 divide 20. Ilang 30 sa 20? Siyempre, isa po. 1. Then, multiply po dito, guys, sa 1 times 20. So, lagyan ko po ng minus sign. So, the answer is 20. So, isa-subtract ko 30 minus 20. So, bring down 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. 10. Pwede po si 10 divide kay 20. Hindi po. Mag-add tayo ng 0 ulit dito po. Okay? So, magiging 100 na po to. Divide natin kay 20. So, we get 5 here. 5 times 20 is 100. So, therefore, our answer is 0.15 A or ampere po. Ilalagay na po natin siya dito. 0.15 or 0.15 A. Kailangan big letter A po yan. Yun po ang sagot natin. Ampere po. 0.15 ampere. Or ampere. So again, this is how we're going to solve how much current is flowing in a flashlight if it has 3.0 volts battery and a resistance of 20. Okay, so that symbol is omega. Given V is equal to 3.0 V, our resistance is 20, that is omega symbol. Solution natin, guys, copy lang natin ang ating what we call formula. I is equal to VR. Then rewrite po natin, sulat natin ulit, 3.0 V over 20 omega or 20 resistance natin. Then divide natin si 3.0 to 20. So kanina diniscuss ko kung paano natin i-move natin to make it whole number. Okay, that's for today, guys. That's our subject science physics. Once again, thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you're updated in our latest video tutorial. Bye!